Proteins constitute at least 30% of the total mass of all living organism.
We developed a method for evaluation of dynamic changes.
Some methods for clinical applications have been presented as well.
The politics combine both the legislative and the political authorities.
All of our accommodations are within a walking distance to the academic buildings.
The application form must be submitted before the end of term.
History is not a collection of dates and events.
Computer software has changed a lot since last year.
I've always been interested in biology and physics.
I'm afraid Professor Jones doesn't suffer fools gladly.
All students on engineering courses spent 1 year working on the wall experience.
I expect a long and stagnant debate for a week or two on this issue.
To measure distance could take as much as 3 weeks.
Please pass the handouts along to the rest of the people in your row.
They say Professor James's lectures are always interesting and fun.
The number of students registering for postgraduate research has risen.
This semester we plan to specialize in education psychology.
Please do not bring food into the classroom. You can find the Student Service Center on level 1 of Home Building.
It is good for the environment, also good for your bill.
Opposition to the government tax policies are widespread across business sectors.
Most students in last year's course did well in this module.
You can pay using cash or a credit card.
Your watch is fast, you need to reset it.
The largest department in this university is History Department.
You can change your courses on the website during the registration period.
Would you please put the materials on the table?
Students are held accountable for adhering to established community standards.
A computer virus has destroyed all my files.
A study skills semester is on for the students who require assistance.
All necessary information is in the assignment.
Allergy problems do run in the family, but we don't understand why.
Could you please pass the handouts to students in your row?
Doing this research makes me think of the purpose of science.
I didn't attend yesterday's lecture. Could I borrow your notes?
I thought the midterm exam was only worth half of our course grade.
Most of the assignments should be submitted on the same day.
Put the knife and fork next to the spoon near the edge of the table.
The results will be available in the main course and online.
This can be seen as the starting point of my discussion today.
We don't teach the same way as we used to.
We must put great care when analyzing the data.
Conservation is the survival of future generation.
Due to the rising demand for courses, the university should also increase their academic staff.
Student loans are now available for international students.
Could you please pass the handouts along to the rest of the people in your row?
What distinguishes him from others is that he used black and white photography.
Genetic and biochemical analyses have generated a detailed portfolio of mechanisms.
History is not a simple collection of dates and events.
The trial is to increase the interest of the issue and the jurisdiction.